the rope. Early lead is taken by Barefoot Contessa by the rail. Galo de Arlo on the outside. Sail Street is racing in third. Laan Joel's Choice. Then comes number 4 Fields of Gold. And What Alert is bringing up the rear. And nearing the part turn. And at the part turn, Galo de Arlo from the outside. Barefoot Contessa by the rail. And as they turn for home, it's Galo de Arlo in the lead, followed by Barefoot Contessa by the rail. It's still Galo de Arlo on the outside, Barefoot Contessa by the rail, joining them on the outside, Joel's Choice. And down the stretch and leading the finish line, Galo de Arlo, Joel's Choice outside. But it's still Sail Street now takes command, moving up by the rail is Laonlaan, and finally Sail Street, Laonlaan, Joel's Choice. Then comes Barefoot Contessa and Galo de Arlo.